Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off chat notifications in TikTok. So watch this video till the end. First, open up your TikTok app. Tap on Profile that is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you land on your profile, tap on three horizontal lines that is on the top right corner of your screen. A menu will pop up. Tap on Settings and Privacy. On the Settings and Privacy page, you will see Push Notification from the section of Content and Display. Tap on it. Once you are on your notification page, scroll downwards until you see Message section. Tap on Direct Messages toggle bar off. It will turn grey. So that is how you turn off chat notifications on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.